Nursing home injury, the result of nursing neglect or natural disease. Hi, my name is Sanga Turnbull from the Turnbull Law Firm. I spent the first 3 years of my career representing nursing home facilities across the state, and the last 13 years only representing families. It's a false argument, and here's why. The federal regulations define neglect as a failure to provide reasonable services given an individual resident's risk status. So in practice, what does that mean? So if a resident comes into the facility at high risk for the development of bed sores, a facility doesn't use an air mattress and one develops, it's neglect. If they use one and it still develops, that may be nature. Let's take another example. What if a resident comes in at high risk for falls? If the facility chooses not to use a low bed and the resident falls, that's neglect. If they use one and the fall still happens, that might be due to nature. Let me give you a specific example for a case I recently handled. I had a client enter the facility with abdominal pain and no bowel movement for 5 days. By the 7th day, her colon ruptured. The facility argued it was nature and unavoidable. We argued nature could have been prevented by sending her to the hospital for simple interventions, so it was neglect. At the end of the day, if you have questions, whether it was nature or neglect, call me. The consultation is always free, and you never pay us anything unless we win. Again, my name is Sanga Turnbull from the Turnbull Law Firm, and I hope this information has been helpful.